Nice here. Nice and relaxed.
Yep, that'll do it. That's amazing.
All that pressure right out of that nervous system. Alrighty, let's do it.
Alrighty. So I'm in a good position?
You're in a good position. Right there. See, it's tight. Your sacrum, keystone of your spine, hip bones lock in, tailbone at the bottom where you sit. The more you sit, the more compressed and tight this becomes. All right? And then when you sit, and then it starts to creep up this way.
Yeah.
Where's it going to go? That's why you got to stand up every half hour, take that pressure off there. And it's like this, the right side is tighter. Right side is tighter. Turn to this side, face me. You're gonna lie on your left side, left arm all the way through. Right here, right here, right here. Slide towards me here. Get this bottom leg straight. Get this one right here. Get that one right there. I got you. Nice and relaxed. Keep that hip right here. Nice and relaxed. Oh, like that. Oof.
Wow, that was much needed. Whoa.
See that? Awesome.
Great already.
Already. One thing we did.
I know.
That's awesome. Good for you. Other side. Dermatologist, cosmetic guy in a second. Stick Botox in my
Get
face.
needles right.
But what I'm doing is crazy. It's crazy. It's too funny. Again, cosmetic. Nice and relaxed. Yeah. Ooh. That's a little tight on this. You okay?
Yeah.
All right, good. Let's stand up. Take a deep breath in, all the way out. See, I can't push too hard. First timer in the chair. She's ready to go. Sits all day at work. Looks down at her phone. No good. Oh, this right side. Drop right here. Nice and easy.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Woo, that felt great.
I think she needed that one. See the breathing? That's awesome. Boom.
Needed that.
Instantly. Drop that head right here. Nice here. Nice and relaxed. Boom.
Yep, that'll do it. That's amazing.
All that pressure right out of that nervous system. Drop the shoulder right here. Nice and easy. Right here. Let it go to my hand. Wow.
Ooh.
Oof.
OMG.
The OMG adjustment. There you go.
Woo, yeah. That feels so good. Oh my god. I'm ready to go running now.
You ready to go running?
Ooh, yeah.
We'll go
Do some
running.
activities.
Let's walk a little bit. Walk, we'll run after. Drop that head back right here.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's awesome. When you're ready, come lie on your back.
Yes.
Like, good. Over here, let's breathe. Keep breathing. And look, slide down a little bit. There you go. A little bit more. There you go. And we'll lift up that head. Like that. Decompress right down the middle. Right down the middle. Take a deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh, wow. Be right out. Amazing. Woo. Much needed.
Oh yeah. Way down the line, always. See? There you go. Now stay right there. Posing? We're trying to look cute now?
A little might
bit?
as well.
Might as well. Go for it. It's social media, might as well.
Yep.
How do you feel right now?
So relieved. Stress, breathing feels, less tension.
That's awesome. She's more
Great.
upright.
Yeah, I am.
Elongated and open. Okay?
Yes.
Brain and nervous system open. Pressure, tension, and stress pretty much relieved right now.
Yes.
And that's what adjustments do, to take pressure, tension, and stress off your spinal nervous system.
Breathing is so much more like, you feel it, it's relieved.
Well,
not tight.
and people don't realize they're breathing at a suboptimal level.
Mm-hmm.
See, she didn't really realize it.
Nope.
Or she didn't think that this was the reason. I think she
Not at
needed
all.
some drugs or whatever, who knows. Decompressed, open, now you're breathing better, your nervous system's working better.
Yeah.
Never be afraid to get adjusted, that's awesome.
Got it.
Boom.
No, yeah, definitely that helped, man.